An asteroid is heading for Earth. Should we be afraid? An asteroid known as 2023 BU will pass between Earth and satellites in geostationary orbit. The asteroid, measuring between 12 and 28 feet wide, was just discovered on Saturday by astronomer Gennady Borisov at the Margo Observatory in Crimea. On Thursday the 26th of January at 4:17 p.m. EST, the asteroid will pass within less than 3% of the average Earth-Moon distance, at an altitude of just 2,178 miles above Earth's surface. For comparison, most geostationary satellites orbit at an altitude of around 22,200 miles. Most asteroids aren't bright enough to be seen without a powerful telescope, but thanks to the Virtual Telescope project, you can watch Asteroid 2023 BU make its close encounter with our planet. The asteroid is currently in the Ursa Major constellation and, due to its small size, is fairly dim at a magnitude of 19.15. 2023 BU is known as an Apollo-type asteroid, which means its orbit crosses that of Earth but spends most of its time well outside the path of our planet. 2023 BU orbits the Sun every 425 days and will not pass close to our planet again until December 6, 2036. Has an asteroid ever come close to hitting Earth during our lifetime? As of my knowledge cutoff in 2021, the closest asteroid to Earth was Asteroid 2020 QG, which passed just 1,830 miles, 2,950 kilometers, above Earth's surface on August 16, 2020. This asteroid was discovered just 6 hours before its closest approach to Earth, which is the closest an asteroid has ever been discovered to Earth before passing by. This asteroid was about the size of a small car and it passed within about 1/5 the distance from Earth to the Moon. It was not considered a threat as it was small and its speed of about 15 miles per second, 24 kilometers per second, meant it would not have survived passing through the Earth's atmosphere. The worst that could happen when an asteroid passes close to Earth is a collision, which could have devastating effects on the area impacted. Depending on the size and speed of the asteroid, the impact could cause widespread destruction, such as massive fires, tsunamis, and widespread destruction to buildings and infrastructure. A large asteroid collision could also release a significant amount of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight and causing a nuclear winter type of event, which would have severe consequences for the global climate and food production. Additionally, an asteroid impact could trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. While Asteroid 2023 BU will pass extremely close to Earth, it is not categorized as potentially hazardous. That's because its small size means it would likely break up and incinerate in Earth's atmosphere. Thanks for watching.